Hey everyone, happy Thanksgiving. I hope everyone gets to enjoy this day today with family and friends, and everyone has a safe and happy holiday. And for today's video, since it's Thanksgiving, I want to show you guys how to draw a turkey Among Us skin. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a happy Thanksgiving. Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a fun turkey Among Us skin. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the beak. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve back. I want them to meet. Next, we'll make a little line that just goes up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that just curves down, and then it's going to come around and up to here for like that little gobble that hangs down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that curves out, and then I'm going to curve around, and then I'm going to come down to here. Next, starting up here, I'm going to make a line that goes up. I'm going to go over, and I'm going to bring it down here. And then starting here, I'm going to bring another line that just comes down. Then I'm going to make a line that goes over and up. Then I'll draw another line that goes over. Then I'm going to go down, over, and then connect it to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down and then back in for that little pack. Next, I want to make the feathers. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that curves around, and it's going to come back here. Then I'm going to keep repeating this over and over. So I'm just going to keep drawing these curved feathers. And as I draw them, they're going to slowly start to curve around here. So you can see I'm just kind of following the shape of my character here. And they're also going to start getting a little bit smaller because they're going to be behind the character. So I'm just going to keep drawing these all the way around. And then I'm going to make them pop out on this side too. Next, starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line at the top of each one, just for a little bit of detail. Then inside of here, I'm just going to add another little curved line, just to add some more detail on each one. And we're going to put this on each one of these feathers. Some of these we won't see much of it, just because it's going to be kind of hidden. And there you go. There is your drawing of a turkey Among Us skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.